reading through ancient religious literature and tripped over this dark, mysterious name? It looks like a massive jumble of vowels, but it flows out in 4 distinct beats. Beelzebul, Beelzebul. Let's smash out the sounds instantly using 4 simple building blocks. Beelzebul. First syllable, the black and yellow insect that makes honey, a bee. Second syllable, the short name for the elevated transit train in Chicago, the L. Third syllable, a quick, quiet breath sound like Z. Fourth syllable, a strong, muscular farm animal, a bull. Snap them together fast with the stress on the second part, Beelzebul. Say it with me. Beelzebul, 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 Beelzebul. Beelzebul is an ancient title with deep roots in Near Eastern history, originally deriving from a Philistine god meaning Lord of the Heavenly Dwelling. Drop a comment with the next ancient figure you want to master. Hit that like button and subscribe for more rapid pronunciation hacks.